Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making shortbread biscuits. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. These are my ingredients. Check the description box for the measurements. I'll mix the butter and sugar with this hand mixer. You can also use your hand to mix. Now let's start making the shortbread biscuits. So I start with my butter. I add my butter to my mixing bowl. I've added my sugar, then I'll mix this with my hand mixer till it's a bit fluffy. You do not have to use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this. You can also mix this with your hand using a wooden spoon. Now I'll just scrape the sides of my mixing bowl. This is to mix everything properly, to mix all the butter and sugar properly. So I'm just going to scrape the sides of my mixing bowl. Then I'll continue mixing my butter and sugar until it's a bit fluffy. Now I'll add a bit of vanilla essence to this mixture and I'll mix it. If you don't have vanilla essence, there's no need to add it, but you can add it. I just added it for flavor and it was okay. It was good. Now that the butter and sugar is fluffy, you can add your flour now. I'll just mix this a bit with my hand mixer, then I will go in with my hands. So I'm going to form a dough out of this mixture. Now that I've formed the dough, I'm going to flour a flat surface and roll it out a bit. While you are rolling your dough out, don't make it too thin. It should be a bit thick. So I'm cutting it with this thing now, and you don't have to use this thing to cut it. You can also use a knife. I'll be cutting it into little rectangles. So now I'll poke the shortbread biscuits with toothpick. Just do it like this. You can also use a fork if you want to. Done with that, I'll just place my shortbread biscuits on a lightly oiled baking pan. I lined this with a foil paper. You can also use a parchment paper for this. You have to be careful with this dough because it breaks like easily, so you have to be careful with it. So just place it like carefully. I'll place this in a preheated oven. So before you start baking, preheat your oven. So I'll place this in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now my shortbread biscuit is ready after 20 minutes. You can enjoy this with ice cream. If you want me to make an ice cream video, please comment down below. Please like and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.